5 drinks that may support joint pain and arthritis relief naturally. Do your joints feel stiff when you wake up in the morning? Do your knees, hands, shoulders, or hips feel swollen, heavy, or uncomfortable after simple daily activities? For many people dealing with arthritis or age-related joint discomfort, even normal movement can become frustrating. Walking up the stairs feels harder. Getting out of bed takes longer. Opening jars, standing for long periods, or bending down may suddenly feel painful. When this happens, many people immediately think about painkillers like ibuprofen. Ibuprofen can help reduce pain and inflammation, but it is still a medication, and it is not suitable for everyone. Some people cannot take it because of stomach issues, kidney problems, blood pressure concerns, blood thinners, or other medical conditions. That is why many people also look for natural ways to support their joints. But let's be very clear from the beginning. No natural drink is a true replacement for ibuprofen, and no drink can cure arthritis. If your doctor has prescribed medicine, do not stop it because of any food, herb, or home remedy. Arthritis can be serious, and ongoing swelling or joint damage needs proper medical care. However, certain drinks do contain nutrients and plant compounds that may help support your body's natural anti-inflammatory processes. These drinks may help support joint comfort, mobility, recovery, and overall wellness when combined with a balanced diet, healthy weight, regular movement, good sleep, and medical guidance when needed. Today, we are going to discuss 5 drinks that may support joint comfort naturally. These are green tea, tart cherry juice, turmeric golden milk, ginger tea, and bone broth. Each drink works in a different way. Some are rich in polyphenol. Some contain antioxidants. Some provide warming plant compounds. Some may support cartilage and connective tissue through protein and minerals. So if your joints feel stiff, swollen, or uncomfortable, stay with me until the end, because drink number 5 is especially popular among people who want joint support from a traditional, nourishing broth. 1. Green tea. The first drink is green tea. Green tea is one of the most studied drinks when it comes to inflammation and overall health. It contains plant compounds called polyphenol, and one of the most important compounds in green tea is EGCG. This compound is often studied for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. For people with joint stiffness or arthritis discomfort, green tea may be helpful because inflammation plays a major role in many joint problems. Arthritis-related pain can involve swelling, tenderness, stiffness, and reduced movement. While green tea will not act like a painkiller tablet, it may help support the body's natural inflammation balance over time. The Arthritis Foundation notes that green, black, and white teas are rich in polyphenol, and green tea is often viewed as especially beneficial because of EGCG. This is why green tea is often included in anti-inflammatory diet discussions for joint health. The best way to use green tea is to make it a daily habit. Take 1 cup in the morning or afternoon. Avoid adding too much sugar because high sugar drinks may work against your health goals. You can add lemon if you like a brighter taste. If you are sensitive to caffeine, take it earlier in the day, not close to bedtime. Green tea is simple, light, and easy to include. It is not a miracle drink, but it can become part of a joint-friendly routine, especially when your overall diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, nuts, seeds, fish, and healthy fats. 2. Tart cherry juice. The second drink is tart cherry juice. Tart cherries are naturally rich in anthocyanins, which are plant pigments that give cherries their deep red color. These compounds are often discussed for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Tart cherry juice has become popular among people with muscle soreness, exercise recovery, and joint discomfort. Some studies have looked at tart cherry juice in relation to inflammation markers and osteoarthritis symptoms. The idea is not that tart cherry juice works exactly like ibuprofen, but that its natural compounds may support the body's response to inflammation. This drink may be especially interesting for people who feel joint stiffness after activity or who wake up with soreness. But there is one important warning. Many juices are high in sugar. If you have diabetes, prediabetes, insulin resistance, or are watching your blood sugar, you must be careful with tart cherry juice. Always choose unsweetened tart cherry juice and keep the portion small. A practical amount for many people is a small glass, not a large bottle. You can also dilute it with water if the taste is strong. The goal is not to drink it all day. The goal is to use it wisely as part of a balanced diet. Tart cherry juice is best seen as a supportive drink, not a treatment. If your arthritis is severe, if your joints are swollen, hot, red, or painful, or if you have gout or kidney issues, speak with your doctor before making it a regular habit. 3. Turmeric golden milk. The third drink is turmeric golden milk. This is one of the most famous natural drinks for inflammation. It is usually made with milk or plant-based milk, turmeric, black pepper, and sometimes ginger or cinnamon. The key compound in turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin has been studied for its anti-inflammatory effects. The Arthritis Foundation explains that curcumin can block inflammatory cytokines and enzymes in inflammatory pathways, and some human trials have shown anti-inflammatory benefits that may translate to reduced joint pain and swelling. But turmeric has one problem. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. This is why black pepper is often added to golden milk. Black pepper contains piperine, which may improve curcumin absorption. A little healthy fat in the drink can also help because curcumin is fat-soluble. A simple golden milk can be made by warming 1 cup of milk or unsweetened plant milk, adding half a teaspoon of turmeric, a tiny pinch of black pepper, and a little cinnamon for taste. Some people also add ginger. Keep it warm, not boiling aggressively. Drink it in the evening or after dinner if it suits your digestion. But turmeric is not safe for everyone in large amounts. If you take blood thinners, have gallbladder disease, kidney stones, upcoming surgery, stomach ulcers, or are on regular medication, speak with your healthcare provider before using turmeric heavily. The National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health notes that research on turmeric and curcumin is still developing, and supplement strength doses are different from normal food amounts. So the safe message is this: golden milk may support joint comfort for some people, but it should not replace prescribed arthritis treatment. For ginger tea. The fourth drink is ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional kitchens and home remedies. Its main active compounds include gingerols and shogales, which are linked with warming, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory effects. For joint discomfort, ginger is interesting because some research suggests it may help with osteoarthritis pain and inflammatory markers. The Arthritis Foundation notes that studies have suggested ginger may relieve osteoarthritis pain better than placebo and may reduce markers of inflammation in rheumatoid arthritis. Ginger tea is also one of the easiest drinks to make. Take a small piece of fresh ginger, slice it thinly, and simmer it in water for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can add lemon if you like. If you need sweetness, use only a small amount of honey, but avoid turning it into a sugary drink. Ginger tea may be helpful in the morning when joints feel stiff, or in the evening when the body feels tired. Its warming effect makes it especially comforting in cold weather or after a long day. But like turmeric, ginger should be used carefully if you are on blood thinners, have bleeding disorders, stomach ulcers, severe acid reflux, or are preparing for surgery. Small food amounts are usually different from high-dose supplements, but it is still smart to be cautious if you have medical conditions. Ginger tea is not a cure, but it can be a simple, affordable, and comforting drink for a joint support routine. 5. Bone broth. The fifth drink is bone broth. Bone broth is different from the first 4 drinks because it is not mainly about plant antioxidants. It is a warm, protein-rich broth made by simmering bones and connective tissue for a long time. Depending on how it is made, bone broth may contain collagen-related amino acids, minerals, and gelatin. Many people drink bone broth for joints because cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and connective tissues all depend on protein and structural nutrients. Bone broth does not rebuild cartilage overnight and should not be advertised as a cure for arthritis. But it can be a nourishing drink that supports protein intake and overall joint nutrition. For older adults, protein is important because the body needs it for muscles, bones, skin, and tissue repair. Stronger muscles also help support painful joints. If the muscles around the knees, hips, or spine become weak, the joints may feel more stressed during movement. A simple bone broth can be taken as a warm cup in the evening or used as a base for soup. If you buy bone broth from the store, check the sodium level because some products are very salty. Too much sodium can be a problem for people with high blood pressure, kidney disease, or heart concerns. If you make it at home, simmer bones with water, a little vinegar, and vegetables like onion, carrot, and celery. Keep the seasoning moderate. Let it cool safely and store it properly. Bone broth is not suitable for everyone. People with kidney disease, certain protein restrictions, histamine sensitivity, gout concerns, or sodium restrictions should ask their healthcare provider before using it regularly. Still, for many people, bone broth can be a comforting, nutrient-rich drink that fits well into a joint support lifestyle. Why these drinks may support joint comfort. These 5 drinks are not magic. They do not work exactly like ibuprofen, and they do not replace medical treatment. but they may support joint comfort because they bring useful compounds into diet. Green tea provides polyphenol like EGCG. Tart cherry juice provides anthocyanins. Turmeric golden milk provides curcumin, especially when paired with black pepper. Ginger tea provides gingerols and warming compounds. Bone broth provides protein and collagen-related amino acids. The bigger message is that arthritis support is not about one miracle drink. It is about building an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. The Arthritis Foundation describes anti-inflammatory eating patterns, such as the Mediterranean diet, as a helpful way to reduce body-wide inflammation. Mayo Clinic also notes that diets rich in fruits and vegetables, healthy fats, whole grains, fish, olive oil, and nuts are often considered for people with arthritis symptoms. So these drinks work best when the rest of your diet is also supportive. If you drink ginger tea but eat fried foods, sugary snacks, processed meats, and refined carbohydrates all day, the benefit may be limited. The drink should support the routine, not cover up an unhealthy lifestyle. Simple daily joint support drink routine. You do not need to drink all 5 drinks every day. That would be too much and unnecessary. A better approach is to rotate them through the week. In the morning, you can drink green tea instead of a sugary beverage. In the afternoon, you can take ginger tea if your joints feel stiff or your body feels tired. A few times a week, you can enjoy turmeric golden milk in the evening. Tart cherry juice can be used in small amounts, especially if you tolerate it well and do not have blood sugar concerns. Bone broth can be used as a warm evening drink or as a base for soups. The key is to keep everything balanced. Choose unsweetened options. Avoid too much sugar. Watch caffeine if you are sensitive. Keep sodium low in bone broth. Use herbs and spices in normal food amounts unless your doctor says otherwise. Also, combine these drinks with light movement. Gentle walking, stretching, water exercises, and strength training can support joint function when done safely. Weight management can also reduce stress on the knees and hips. Sleep matters too, because poor sleep can increase pain sensitivity. Final thoughts. If your joints feel stiff, swollen, or painful, do not ignore your symptoms. Arthritis can worsen when it is not properly managed. If you have severe pain, sudden swelling, redness, heat around a joint, fever, injury, or trouble walking, speak with a healthcare professional. But if you are looking for simple drinks that may support your joint health routine, these 5 options are a smart place to start. Green tea may support inflammation balance through polyphenol. Tart cherry juice may provide antioxidant anthocyanins. Turmeric golden milk may support comfort through curcumin. Ginger tea may help with warming anti-inflammatory compounds. Bone broth may support joint nutrition through protein and collagen-related amino acids. None of these drinks is a cure. None of them replaces ibuprofen, prescription medicine, or medical care. But when used wisely, they may become part of a healthier routine for joint comfort, mobility, and overall wellness. Start with one drink. Try it consistently. Keep your diet balanced. Move your body gently. Protect your joints. And always listen to your doctor if you are managing arthritis or chronic pain. If this video helped you, share it with someone who wakes up with stiff knees, painful hands, or swollen joints. And tell me in the comments, which drink would you try first? Green tea, tart cherry juice, turmeric golden milk, ginger tea, or bone broth? Sometimes the smallest daily habit can become the first step toward better joint comfort.